그로부터 4년 뒤 시리아로 향하는 조나단과 안젤라. 이곳에 온 목적은 로퍼의 사망 소식을 듣고 사실을 확인하기 위해서였죠.
No. Just one of you will perform identification.
Who says?
Angela, it's all right.
It's not all right. None of this is all right.
She'll do it.
확인 결과 시신은 영락없는 로퍼의 것.
Can you confirm this is Richard Rocker?
Yeah, it's him.
길었던 싸움에 마침표를 찍으며 안젤라는 안도의 한숨을 내쉽니다. 그로부터 6년이 지난 현재.
Teresa, hi.
Hi. Corky escaped again. Work at night, don't you?
I do, yes.
Yeah. What do? You like vampires?
I work in a bank. So yes, basically, yeah.
Yeah.
I am.
This is the MI6 quarterly evaluation for Alex Goodwin, director of the Night Owls unit. So, Alex, is there anything keeping you awake at night?
No. No.
And romantically, any developments on that front?
Yep. Actually, I've started going out with my neighbor. I feel good. I love working for Rex Mayhew. I love my team.
MI6 야간 감시반 알렉스 구딘이라는 이름으로 요원 활동을 이어가고 있는 조나단.
Visitor from the river. Thanks, Graham.
Don't know how you do it. Stuck here every night. Sat in the dark, watching the world through a screen. I'm worried you'll go blind.
You refuse all promotions, all offers for posts abroad.
I love being at home. Sorry to disappoint you.
하지만 로퍼의 죽음을 확인한 후부터 조나단은 알 수 없는 불안에 시달리고 있었는데
Got the latest list of bad guys. Basil Karapetian delivered them personally. Mike, follow him.
I worked at the Mumbai Carlton in the 90s. That sort of antic tended to mean a sexual assignation with the boy on reception.
여느 때처럼 국제 범죄자를 추적하며 감시를 이어가던 그때 낯익은 한 남자가 조나단의 눈에 포착됩니다.
Something wrong?
Mike, zoom in on that man in the corner.
그 남자는 한때 로퍼의 군대에 몸담았던 베테랑 군인 야코. 그가 영국에 나타난 이유가 무엇일까?
Yakko looks like a teddy bear. Don't let him near your neck on a bad day.
조나단은 조사를 허락받기 위해 메이휴를 찾아갑니다.
He's waiting. And I have to go. Roxana, you hear anything more about this, you call me.
Okay. Thank you, Rex.
And you tell no one about this. Clear?
그런데 그 순간 메이휴의 저택을 떠나는 의문의 여성.
I got taken last night. Old Roper Field man. What's he doing coming to London under a false name?
You sure it's him?
Absolutely sure. Who was the woman he met before the party?
She was a friend.
What kind of friend?
The kind you never saw. My dear boy, listen to me. Jonathan Pine never existed. Nobody in that garden has any idea who you are. Roper is dead. The past is the past. We spent 5 years creating you anew.
야코에 대한 수사를 막고 여성의 정체를 감추자 의심을 품게 된 조나단.
Alex, what on earth are you doing
Myra,
here?
hello.
Don't you know it's bad luck to see an owl during the day?
Rex said that this owl needs a bit of vitamin D, so here I am.
Wise man.
No, Danny, the ball's in the middle. You're not watching the cups, Danny. Thomas is watching the cups, aren't you, Thomas? Yakko.
There's your man. His name is Jaco Brouwer, 42 years old. South African, but he spent the last 6 years as a fixer for cartels in South America. I want to know what he's doing in London.
How do you know him?
From a previous life.
What previous life?
I can't say, Mike. I'm not allowed to tell you. And I have no official authority to follow or trail him. So, up to you.
Guys, cancel your plans. We're going fishing tomorrow.
어쩌면 야코의 출연이 로퍼와 연관되어 있을지 모른다는 생각에 조나단은 팀원들에게 야코에 대한 감시를 지시합니다.
Looks like he's got a date. Photos incoming.
You know him? No. Audio coming in?
그렇게 야코를 도청하던 조나단은 뜻밖의 정보를 얻게 되는데
This isn't your average gun run. Think of it as his insurance policy. He knows his mind, your chief. Calls himself Richard Roper.
Mike, can you just clean that up? On it.
I know going into London there's too many eyes.
누군가 로퍼의 후계자를 자처하며 그의 거래 방식을 따라하고 있었던 것.
Nothing quite as pretty as napalm at night.
과거의 비극이 반복될지도 모를 걱정에 조나단은 팀의 모든 자원을 이용해 추적에 나섭니다.
The question is, who's he working for this time?
Hamley Street, Hall Park. Okay. Just here on the left would be great. Thank you. Sally.
Okay, we know who owns the house.
Who?
We do.
놀랍게도 야코와 만난 거래자는 MI6 소유의 안전 가옥에 머무르고 있었는데 이는 MI6 내부에 배신자가 있다는 뜻이었죠.
Rex.
그때 조나단에게 전할 것이 있다며 연락해온 메이휴.
When you get here, park away from the house. Use the side entrance, library. I have something to show you.
조나단은 서둘러 그의 저택으로 향하지만
Celia.
Alex, something terrible's happened.
Celia, whoa. Slow down, slow down. Tell me what's happened.
Rex is dead. He's dead.
메이휴는 스스로 목숨을 끊은 채 시신으로 발견됩니다.
Celia, what happened?
He was agitated. He said he'd found something. Wanted to talk to you. It was about your man.
죽기 전 야코에 대한 정보를 전하려 했던 메이휴. 그가 남긴 단서를 따라가자 책장 한가운데에 숨겨진 휴대폰을 발견하게 되고 폰에 남겨진 링크를 통해 조나단은 로퍼의 후계자를 자처하는 테디의 존재를 알게 됩니다.
He knows his mind, your chief. Calls himself Richard Roper's true disciple.
그때 걸려오는 한 통의 전화.
Rex, you said you'd call me at 6. Where are you? Hello?
상대는 바로 메이휴의 집에서 마주친 여성 록사나.
Roxana Bolaños.
Yes?
I'm here on Rex Mayhew's behalf.
So, where's Rex?
Get your things, make your excuses, I'll tell you everything in the car.
Sorry, I'm not going anywhere with you. I need to talk to Rex.
Trust me, Rex won't answer. He's dead. He left this phone for me. You and I are the only two numbers on it, so we need to talk. Your life could be in danger.
작은 무역 회사를 운영하는 그녀는 자신이 진행하던 거래에서 수상한 점을 발견해 메이휴에게 도움을 청했던 것이었죠.
Like I wasn't being told the whole story.
About what was in the shipment?
Yes. So I took it to Rex. He said that he would look into it, and that's why I was calling him.
Who knows you met him?
No one.
Listen, until we know what happened with Rex, you should stay here
No,
tonight.
I can't. I have a flight booked to Miami tomorrow. I have to leave.
We'll deal with that. This has everything you might need.
Tony will stay with you, and we will need your phone. It's for your own safety, okay?
Wait, what's your name?
그리고 록사나에게 운송을 의뢰한 이는 다름 아닌 테디.
The ship is called the Alcestis. It left Felixstowe a month ago, and we also found out who runs Barquero Commerce. I'm sending that to you now, Alex.
Okay.
His name is Teddy Dos Santos. He lives in Medellin. Now, I can find nothing on him until 2018. Whoever cleaned his background knows their stuff. All I've got is a very sudden entry into legitimate business in Colombia about 6 years ago.
그는 자선 단체를 통해 무기를 운송하던 로퍼의 수법을 그대로 따라하고 있었습니다.
My safe haven project for refugees is the true expression of my belief in a commitment to the wider world.
Mi nombre es Eduardo Dos Santos y Aurora te necesita.
Sally, I need to know what Myra Cavendish is really sending to Colombia. When the ship docks, we need to stop the cargo from leaving Cartagena port.
Richard Roper, terrible man, beautiful taste.
테디에 대한 정보를 얻기 위해 로퍼의 유품을 뒤지는 조나단. 그곳에서 한 여성의 사진과 테디가 로퍼에게 보낸 메시지를 발견하고 단서를 얻기 위해 조나단은 데니를 찾아갑니다.
Michael Oakes. Remember me?
하지만 10년 만의 모습을 드러낸 조나단에게 데니는 비협조적이었고
Michael, is it? Yeah. You're a f***ing liar. You destroyed my family. You never once were honest with me. So why should I give you anything?
I shouldn't have come. Sorry.
See you in another 10 years.
There's something I haven't told you about your father. He was executed by his captors.
When?
6 years ago.
Why wasn't I told?
I'm sorry you had to find out like this. I'm sorry, Danny.
조나단은 빈손으로 돌아갈 수밖에 없었지만 때마침 올빼미족 요원들이 야코의 행방을 포착합니다.
We're night owls, not operatives.
It's just a precaution.
This previous life of yours you mentioned. You want to tell me about it?
I'll tell you when this is over.
Might just hold you to that.
That's him.
Taxi! Can you hold that? Excuse me! Oh, shit! No. Muddy terminal. Yeah, time. Thank you. Thanks. Taxi!
Let's go.
올빼미조는 잠입 작전에 부적합한 감시 요원들로 구성된 팀. 그럼에도 조나단은 모든 팀원을 현장에 투입.
See you in there.
Yakko's booked into room 249.
Got it. Master key room 249.
마침내 야코와 테디가 만나는 순간을 포착합니다.
Señor Valarón.
Beatriz, ¿cómo estás? ¿Qué tal?
Muy bien.
¿Todo bien?
Yakko, Teddy, dear friend. Come here, so nice to see you.
Have something for me?
Yes. The shipment lives with a government stamp as requested.
Teddy Dos Santos is here, and they're on their way up. We got him. Keep them in the room. I want to talk to him.
하지만 상황은 조나단이 미처 예상치 못한 방향으로 흘러가는데
You are a good man, Yakko. Roper knew a soldier when he saw one.
베테랑 군인 야코조차 눈치채지 못한 추적기를 단번에 찾아낸 테디.
Teddy, I had no idea. I swear. Let's go. I'm almost there. You still got him?
No, listen. We've lost him. We've lost the signal. They must be onto us.
They're still not here.
What is? Get out of there now.
Concierge.
Answer your phone, Tony.
Who is it? No. Brain. What is it? No. Hey, wait.
결국 조나단은 팀원을 둘이나 잃는 최악의 상황을 맞이합니다.
Who are you?
게다가 테디가 준비한 수는 여기서 끝이 아니었는데
Hi, this is Alex Goodwin. Please leave a message.
테디가 설치한 폭탄에 휩쓸려 행방불명이 되어버린 조나단.
Is a surveillance unit. You do not hunt down. I'm hereby terminating the Night Owls unit.
결국 올빼미조는 작전 실패를 이유로 해체되지만 남은 팀원들은 조나단의 과거를 알게 됩니다.
Sally?
It's all right, Jonathan. We're alone. The man who brought down Richard Roper. Myra Cavendish. believes you died in that hotel room explosion. Let me help you, Jonathan. Whatever you've got in mind, you can't do this alone.
I found these in the Roper archive. This one is from Teddy Dos Santos. Did Richard Roper smuggle arms into Colombia in the 1990s?
It was never proven.
But?
Almost certainly.
Okay. Then I think Teddy is continuing his business model. And I think British intelligence is helping him.
10수년간 법망을 피해온 로퍼. 그런 로퍼를 잡아낸 유일한 인물. 조나단을 중심으로 MI6 기술 책임 바질과 현장 감시 요원 셀리가 집결합니다.
Waleed shouldn't have been there.
I know.
You should have told us about your past.
I'm sorry, Sally. How's Mike?
He left the service. He went straight to the square mile.
You know, you should do the same.
I'm not going anywhere. They died for nothing otherwise.
하지만 공식적으로 해체된 올빼미조에게는 별다른 자원이 없는 상황.
Who is he?
Alejandro Gualteros, public prosecutor in Medellin.
그들에게는 새로운 조력자가 필요했고 때마침 테디의 화물을 압류했던 검사 알레한드로가 물망에 오르는데
We'll use the Roper piggy bank. Seems appropriate, given you stole it in the first place.
But you can't be Alex Goodwin.
So who am I?
Matthew Ellis. 43 years old, born in Norfolk to a second-rate merchant banker and an alcoholic mother who slept with half of Fakenham. Good for her. Good.
테디의 회사에 접근하기 위해 금융 전문가 매튜 앨리스로 위장하는 조나단.
Now, Teddy's lawyer Carrascal is your way in. He loves to gamble. They lunch together every Tuesday after his tennis practice at his club. That's your chance to be a snake in their garden.
그는 테디의 변호사에게 접근해 자연스럽게 테디의 눈에 띄는 작전을 개시합니다.
You wanna play a set?
Yeah.
Ace. Nice serve. Well done, Englishman.
Too low.
Well done.
조나단은 테디와 접촉하는 데 성공.
Out. Nice serve. 1-3.
Not your lucky day today.
It's my set.
You are new, right?
I just flew in.
Come. I'll walk you inside. You're English.
I'm from Hong Kong, Swiss bank. Been there for 10 years.
콜롬비아에서 조나단이 작전을 진행하는 동안 바질은 내부의 배신자를 찾기 위해 본국으로 귀환.
I hear you're having Alex Goodwin's body flown back from Spain.
What's left of it? Not much, I'm afraid.
You see, Alex made a mistake. Fought the wrong people.
And Rex?
It was a tragedy. Where do you stand in all this?
You know where I stand. I'm loyal to the service, always have been.
But what service? This mythic England of Rexes, green fields and croquet? It's been paved over. Our paymasters want us at the top table. We may have to stand on some heads to get there.
What do you need from me?
그런데 어째서인지 MI6 작전 총괄 마이라가 죽은 메이휴의 파일에 관심을 보입니다.
Mr. Khan?
Yes, sorry. Have you been waiting?
Oh, it's fine. I've got another viewing at 4:30, but I'll fit you in. Straight up to the top.
Gorgeous view. Holland Park is such a classy area. Oh, I could probably get them to keep the table and lamp too, if that helps.
My client's from the Gulf. He'll take possession immediately. He's happy to pay 6 months up front.
셀리는 알레한드로를 포섭하기 위해 움직이기 시작하죠.
Let me get that for you, Alejandro. Gracias.
Excuse me, who are you?
You received a tip-off 10 days ago. The sender's code name was Matt.
Who are you?
Okay, Alejandro, we're friends.
This conversation was recorded in Richmond, London 2 weeks ago. Listen to it, but share it with no one. We want to know what's going on, just like you do. So whatever Teddy DeSantis offers you to release that shipment, you refuse it.
그날 밤 테디에게 좋은 인상을 남긴 덕분에 조나단은 그가 주최하는 모금 행사에 참여하는데
Who's he with? She's a very close friend of mine.
Huh, I like that.
Let's say hello.
공교롭게도 그곳에서 록사나를 다시 마주치게 됩니다.
I want you to meet someone. He's my friend Matthew from Hong Kong.
You new in town?
Oh, I just flew in. Terrible turbulence on the way over. Thought I might not make it.
But here you are.
Here I am.
테디의 빌라에 갇혀 감시를 받고 있었던 록사나. 상황에 따라 그녀는 조나단의 정체를 폭로할 수도, 테디의 정보를 제공하는 내부 정보원이 될 수도 있는 인물.
The man talking with him on the mezzanine, he's the senior prosecutor Alejandro Galteros. 10 days ago, he impounded the shipment after an anonymous tip-off.
That was you.
조나단은 테디가 영국 정보부의 표적이라고 밝히며 록사나에게 협조를 요청하죠.
You have a choice to make, Roxana. You can either get me inside his operation, or you can tell Teddy everything. There is nothing.
My apologies.
Teddy!
Matthew, I'm sorry, but we have to leave.
Roxana, why don't you take my card? Perhaps we can discuss things further over a private drink.
Yeah, I'd like that.
We'll take care of that for you. Matthew, goodbye, old boy. Nice to see you.
Bye.
테디의 지갑에서 나온 한 여성의 사진. 그 사진은 로퍼의 유품에서 본 것과 똑같았고 조나단은 곧장 사설 탐정을 찾아가 조사를 의뢰합니다.
¿Qué le puedo ayudar?
Hola. Buenos días. Soy Max Robinson. ¿Llame hace un rato? I hear you're good at finding people.
한때 경찰로 일했던 탐정 마틴이 사진 속 인물의 정체를 알아내는데
Here she is. María Luisa Vidal.
Disculpen. ¿Qué están haciendo aquí? Porque están preguntando por mi mamá.
¿Es su madre?
Sí.
¿Cómo se llama?
Clara. Who are you?
Do you know this man?
He's my brother. Eduardo.
놀랍게도 사진 속 주인공은 테디의 어머니. 그의 가족은 무려 30년 동안 테디와 연락이 끊긴 채 살아가고 있었습니다.
Y nunca vino nadie a hacerle visita.
Solo su padre. Eduardo le esperaba todo el año, con muchas ganas. Y practicaba su inglés todo el año. Y solo para ese día.
Eduardo's father was English.
Yes.
단순히 로퍼의 추종자인 줄 알았던 테디가 그의 사생아라는 것을 알게 됩니다.
Teddy is Richard Onslow Roper's son. Roper was gun running in Colombia in the 90s. He met a married woman. They had an affair. She had a son. They sent him away, changed his name, hid his past. Now he's continuing the family business.
You okay?
I feel like I'm chasing ghosts.
때마침 걸려오는 전화 한 통.
Hello?
I've got you an inn. If you're interested, I'll come and pick you up tomorrow for lunch. If he finds out, he'll kill me.
He won't find out.
록사나가 조나단의 제안을 수락한다는 내용이었고 그렇게 내부 정보원과 테디의 비밀 그리고 결정적인 순간에 테디를 체포해줄 검사까지 작전을 개시할 최소한의 조건이 모두 갖춰지게 되죠.
I'm pretty sure the cargo you impounded contains illegally imported British weapons. It's the last of 6 shipments. If we're right, that's a lot of weapons, and we need to know who they're for. There's been talk of a deadline for the final shipment, codenamed Anniversary.
The 10-year anniversary of the peace process in a week's time. Maybe the anniversary is real.
Okay, if I can get you proof of what's inside those containers, then will that help untie them? If I can get you a list.
알레한드로가 테디의 계좌를 동결한 지금 자산가로 위장한 조나단은 테디에게 있어 황금알을 낳는 거위나 다름없는 존재.
The Barquero bank account remains frozen. They need money while they solve the problem. And right now they need cash flow. But I want guarantees. I get you what you want. I disappear back to Miami.
Done.
테디는 조나단의 투자금을 노리며 자신의 빌라로 불러냅니다.
There's only one condition.
Which is?
You ask no questions of me, and I ask no questions of you. Everything is trust.
What's the return?
Double your money in 3 months.
I'll think about it.
Oh, just don't take too long, because we might look elsewhere.
상호 간의 신뢰를 강조하면서 정작 조나단의 술에 몰래 약을 타 그의 속내를 캐내려 하는 테디.
Chin chin down the hatch.
Todo eso. Who are you, Matthew? Why are you really here?
Cleaning the money. I lost the bank. 600 million. Swiss bankers. Not happy.
So, how is it you have money to invest with me? Huh?
I hid it. 25 million. Yes. I'm not real. You're not real.
Now you need to clean that money, huh? Mm-hmm. I can help you to do that, Matthew.
I trust you.
Yeah? I can make you clean.
Make me clean.
조나단은 초인적인 정신력으로 테디를 속여넘기는 데 성공합니다.
What's in the Barquero shipments?
British weaponry. Under the counter.
In the morning, I want you to phone Teddy. Tell him I agree to his deal. I need proof of that shipment. And you're going to help me get it.
You are not the one in control here.
테디를 체포하기 위해 필요한 결정적 증거는 무기 품목이 적힌 운송 리스트.
Extensive camera and alarm systems inside. I have a pass to the main building, but there's an annex at the rear which they keep private. It's pass-coded. Your briefcase will be in there.
They'll be watching me. I need the code for the annex and the CCTV serial numbers.
조나단이 테디와 계약을 체결하는 동안 록사나는 다음 작전을 위한 발판을 마련하죠.
Our boys entering the castle. The Roper piggy bank will be required.
Okay.
For your records.
Thank you.
I think now it's time for the money.
Yes, I will just have to call my bank in Belize to authorize the payment.
It's okay, be my guest.
Good afternoon, Mr. Ellis. This is Gold Level Customer Liaison. My name is Rebecca. Please plug in the beneficiary account and IBAN number in question.
Okay.
So the money will be in the receiving account within 12 hours. This is due to additional data checks being instigated according to new financial regulations here in Belize.
Understood. Thank you so much, Rebecca. Thank you.
You didn't say there would be a delay.
Es que están muy estrictos los bancos de Belize. Es así.
El pago sí o sí toca hacerlo esta noche.
It's okay. Matthew and I trust each other. And that's what matters. ¿Verdad?
테디에게 돈이 지급되기까지 남은 시간은 12시간. 그 안에 운송 리스트를 찾아 테디를 체포해야 했고.
No, they're watching my apartment. And they're not hiding it.
Okay, listen, we just need some more time. Max is on the inside. He's getting the shipment list.
Let's go for a walk. Show me the ocean. If this is Teddy trusting, I'd love to see him suspicious. You have the code to the annex?
732349. There are 2 cameras inside.
You have the serial numbers?
I got the central hub. You better be good for the money.
I'm good for the money.
록사나에게서 얻은 CCTV 접속 코드를 이용 조나단은 테디의 사무실에 손쉽게 잠입하는데 하지만 운송 리스트는 어디에서도 찾을 수 없었고 하필 그 순간 테디가 사무실에 돌아오면서 조나단은 꼼짝없이 갇히게 됩니다.
Decidí que tenemos que hacernos el fiscal. Hay que encontrar un reemplazo que libere el cargamento. Necesito reunirme con Gilberto y sus amigos para que nos den su aprobación. Reserva el restaurante La Colina que yo llego mañana. Listo, de uno.
테디의 통화를 엿듣고 동업자 길베르토의 존재를 알게 된 조나단. 운송 리스트를 찾지 못한 그는 록사나가 자신에게 정보를 숨기고 있다고 의심하기 시작하고
Here's a question for you. What does the name Gilberto Hansen mean to you?
Okay, well, I don't know him.
You've been working for this company for 5 years.
Fuck you. I got you the codes. That was the deal.
Codes gave me nothing.
Oh.
All I found was an empty briefcase.
Told you Teddy compartmentalized.
You know what the operation is, who's paying for it.
I have no fucking idea.
You have no fucking idea why the Brits are involved.
I don't.
Listen, you're playing me just like you did in London to save your skin.
Get the fuck off me.
People died because of you. People I loved.
Don't fucking touch me. Don't even think about it. Tomorrow morning, your money better come through. Then I'm out of here. Or I'll fucking tell them everything.
계속되는 조나단의 추궁에 록사나는 이 일에서 손을 떼겠다고 선언하죠.
Did you enjoy your afternoon?
You jealous?
I'm protective.
Is that what they call it?
Have some respect for Miss Bolaños. She's not just a beautiful face, okay?
Okay, meaning?
Rosanna may be young, but she's a true Colombian. On the battleground, you have to take sides, and Roxana has taken ours.
For the money?
You should ask what happened to her father.
What's this?
Air tickets to Paris. When the money's through, you fly back. Go and see your daughter. Don't take it personally, but we don't want you here.
조나단에게 남은 방법은 오직 도박뿐.
You know the real problem with human beings?
No?
We're genetically dishonest.
What do you mean by that?
Deception is in our DNA.
And what are you lying about?
Well, for example, I know you have a shipment sitting in the port less than a mile from here.
항구에 화물을 숨겨두는 테디의 방식을 조나단은 사기 수법이라며 몰아붙이는데
Fine. I'm papering over the cracks while this happens. I've got no problem with that. You have your 20 million in a few hours, but I'm not a fool. Teddy, where are you going? What did I say?
그 말은 테디의 자존심을 제대로 건드렸고 보안이 뚫렸다고 판단해 서둘러 금고를 확인하러 가는 변호사 카라스칼.
Simplemente estamos buscando si falta algo. Dime qué te dijo.
Nada. No tenía idea que él sabía de eso.
¿Acaso tienes algo que esconder?
¿No se te ha ocurrido que puede ser más inteligente que tú?
Tú dijiste que respondías por él.
Señor, tengo los videos y no veo nada raro.
Muéstramelos.
Sí, señor.
변호사가 잠시 자리를 비운 그때 록사나가 운송 리스트를 복사하는 데 성공합니다.
Ya está la idea. No volverás a ver a Matthew Ellis.
문제는 의심으로 가득 찬 테디로부터 조나단이 생명의 위협을 받게 된 것.
Mappia papi che il padrone sta sperando.
Who the f*** are you, man? Who the f*** are you?
All right, my name is Matthew Ellis. Everything I told you is true except for one thing. I didn't get thrown out of the army. I was sent with military intelligence. I came to Medellin because I needed to clean my money. I targeted you. I knew you were in trouble, but the money is real.
I hope so. Because that's the only way you come out of this alive.
설상가상 돈을 송금해줘야 할 바질이 생각지도 못한 곳에서 발목을 잡혀버립니다.
So I've been looking at these files that you sent over. There's not much there, is there? But we did find an email that Rex sent 9 years ago to someone called Andrew Birch. It mentions a Luxembourg bank account. $300 million. Do you think you could get me access to the account?
조나단이 로퍼에게서 빼돌린 3억 달러, 마이라는 이를 추적하며 조나단의 정체를 파헤치고 있었고
I had one idea. I could try a dummy transaction to a shadow ops account. Tech has one in Belize off the peg. 20 million maybe. If someone queries it, we could trace the query, see where it leads us.
It's too late. It's just late. The money's gonna go through. Let me call the bank.
You're so fucking full of shit!
late. It's just
Lied
late.
to me from the moment I met you, cabrón!
Just trust me.
No! Get the fuck off me!
Victor, wait. The money's there.
마침내 돈이 송금되며 간신히 목숨을 건지게 된 조나단.
What happened to trust?
Levántenlo.
이번 사건을 계기로 오히려 조나단을 신뢰하게 된 테디는 자신의 계획을 털어놓기 시작하죠.
What the hell was he doing here?
You don't wanna know, Matthew. Believe me.
Try me.
I'm creating an army. Soldiers. For hire. All over the country. Poor, young.
Aurora. Because orphans grow wild in Colombia.
마치 로퍼가 그랬던 것처럼 군대를 조직하고 있었던 테디. 그의 태도에서 조나단은 이 일을 주도한 자가 테디가 아님 길베르토라는 예감이 들기 시작합니다.
So we don't have the list. What happened?
Teddy had some trust issues. Where's Alejandro?
He's at home. They're still watching him. There's a car constantly outside his apartment.
Teddy won't do anything till he's got the go-ahead tonight. He's flying to a secret location, a hilltop restaurant. This is the chopper's ID. We need to follow him there. Gilberto Hansen will be at the meeting. I think he's behind the whole thing.
하지만 길베르토는 이미 오래전 사망한 인물. 그럼에도 테디가 그의 이름을 언급했다는 것은 누군가 길베르토인 척하며 사업을 이어나가고 있다는 것을 의미했죠.
Someone's watching us.
때마침 조나단을 찾아와 운송 리스트를 넘겨주는 록사나.
Where did you get this?
It's what you needed, right?
Yes.
I'm being flown out tomorrow so that you don't know me and we never met. Is that clear?
Understood. Roxana.
What?
Why are you working with these people?
I already told you it's for the money.
Because Juan said...
Juan knows nothing.
He told me to ask about your father.
My father died when I was 6. He was kidnapped for refusing to pay local guerrilla protection. I watched them dump him at the gates.
That's why you left for America, huh?
Yes.
테디를 체포할 확실한 증거를 얻긴 했지만 길베르토의 존재가 마음에 걸린 조나단은 테디를 다시 추적하기 시작하고
He's going southwest. Follow the road to Nilo.
Last known coordinates 5.1765, 72.9313.
Got it.
그렇게 도착한 곳에서 조나단은 충격적인 사실을 알게 되는데
You have full confidence in Mr. Dos Santos?
Absolutely, Jose, old boy. He runs a tight ship. He's never let me down, and he never will.
So, are we doing this?
바로 죽은 줄 알았던 로퍼가 멀쩡히 살아있었던 것. 모종의 방법으로 죽음을 위장했던 로퍼. 그가 콜롬비아에서 진행하는 사업은 마이라의 지원을 받고 있었고
Mr. Whistler, how was your flight?
로퍼의 왼팔인 샌디 역시 로퍼를 돕기 위해 콜롬비아에 입국합니다.
Pools, indoor and outdoor, and oh yes, it has planning permission for a paddle court, whatever the fuck that is.
And Myra will pay for this.
She called it her little thank you gift.
이들의 계획은 쿠데타. 마이라에게서 받은 무기를 콜롬비아 민병대에 팔아 친형 성향의 지도자를 집권시킬 계획이었죠.
Colombia was the obvious place to start. I've got old friends here. Landowner stock.
I'm bringing in arms for Jose Cabrera's revolution. Myra Cavendish and her investors are footing the bill. Just one shipment away, Sandy. Just one.
그때 조나단의 의뢰로 로퍼를 도청하던 마틴은 뜻밖의 대화를 듣게 되는데
Problem with local contractors. Who are you using?
A fellow called Eduardo dos Santos.
Does he know the game? And when all this is over, what do we do? You're gonna bring it
Teddy in the Athenaeum. I dread to think.
and then we can get rid of it.
Well, let's jump that fence when we come to it, shall we?
이번 무기 거래가 끝나는 대로 로퍼가 자신에게 충성을 바치는 테디를 제거할 생각이라는 거.
Sandy, there's something I want you to do when you get back.
Sure. Anything in my power.
It's Danny. I want him back with me at the Oxfordshire house.
What about his mother?
Make her an offer. I don't care how you do it, just make sure she understands the situation. I've lost 10 years of my boy's life.
He's away at boarding school.
Then take him out! He's my only son and heir.
로퍼의 속내를 모르는 테디는 사업에 잡음이 생기지 않도록 조나단을 제거할 생각이었지만
What are you doing?
Teddy. Yesterday in Cartagena, I told you too much.
That's your problem, not mine.
I'll walk you to the gates.
내심 조나단을 신뢰하고 있었던 테디는 조나단이 조용히 콜롬비아에서 떠나게 도와줍니다.
Go to France, Matthew. Get to your daughter. Don't forget you ever met me.
I'm not going to find that easy.
I'll pray for your soul, Eduardo.
Benny, que hágale al fiscal que yo voy de camino. Hasta ahora.
하지만 조나단은 테디의 예상을 깨고 공항에 머무르고 있었고 콜롬비아에 도착한 안젤라를 맞이하는데
You identified his body. Why did you lie to me?
It was the night before the identification, and he walked into my room.
Hello, Angela. Got time for a chat?
He'd done a deal with his Syrian captors, how to get out of it and to pay them back all the money he owed them. I had to declare him dead, retire from the river, and he said if I refused him, he would kill us both, there and then, and he'd send people to London to murder my child.
가족을 지키기 위해 로퍼의 죽음을 위장했다는 안젤라.
Well, you should have trusted me.
If I'd told you the truth, you wouldn't have survived it.
Don't tell me what I
You'd
can
have gone in there, all guns fucking blazing like you are now. You'd have compromised the whole
I killed
thing.
2 men for you. I put a woman I loved
I
in
did not
terrible
ask you to
danger.
do any
Did you
of
see
that.
Roper torture Jed in a hotel
I
bathroom?
have a
haven't
child,
slept
a little
for
girl.
years.
Do you understand that?
You found me in that Swiss hotel. You made me who I am, and you lied to me.
I had no choice. We'd have both died.
로퍼가 살아있다는 것을 확인한 조나단은 서둘러 알레한드로에게 도움을 요청합니다.
You know Jose Cabrera?
Yes, of course, I know him.
Well, the British are supporting him. Our government is funding regime change here, and we have to stop it.
I'm calling the head of Supreme Court. She has the authority to open the shipment.
You trust her?
More than anyone.
로퍼가 운송하는 무기는 반경 40km의 전력을 날려버릴 수 있는 폭탄. 이를 막기 위해 알레한드로는 대법원장을 만나려 하지만 그의 움직임은 테디의 귀에 들어가게 됩니다.
Oye, ¿qué pasa?
¿Qué pasa?
¿Qué pasa?
Eso quisiera saber. ¿Qué mierda está pasando?
Yo.
Pues el fiscal tiene la lista del cargamento.
Es imposible.
Entonces, ¿por qué carajo está pidiendo una junta en la Suprema Corte de Justicia, eh? Vos te robaste la lista del cargamento.
¿Estás loco? Yo te di a Rex Mayhew. ¿Y ahora? ¿Ahora me vas a cuestionar a mí, güey?
Contesta la hijo de puta pregunta y ya. ¡Contesta! Siéntate, no te mueves de ahí.
Pues no te mueves de ahí.
쿠데타를 일으키려는 로퍼와 그 배후에 영국이 있다는 사실. 모든 진실을 대법원장에게 알리려 하지만
Yes.
Hi, Mom. It's me. I'm gonna miss my flight today, so I thought that you should know. So, you should probably cancel your plans.
작전을 취소하라는 록사나의 다급한 연락. 그 불길한 예감은 곧 현실로 나타나는데
Señor Alejandro Guanteros.
Sí, tengo una reunión con Consuelo Lorenzo.
Es en el salón 7. Sígame por aquí, por favor. Ella lo está esperando. Están esperando.
¿Qué carajos es esto? El favor y se sienta. Y más bien muéstrame lo que tiene en ese maletín.
Sally, something's not right. He's inside. I've got eyes on me. I gotta get to him.
No, Jonathan.
Put a track on Roxana's phone. I
No,
gotta
Jonathan,
go.
wait.
Necesito saber quién es su fuente.
¿De qué? No recuerdo el nombre.
¿Dónde está el documento original?
Dentro de su culo.
Llévenselo.
¡Tratemos en! ¡Fue con Orrea! ¿Qué está pasando? ¡Tratemos en! ¡Carro con Orrea! ¡Así! ¡Matemos Spiro! ¡Hey!
알레한드로가 납치를 당하는 초유의 사태가 벌어진 곳.
¿Por qué no aceptó mi oferta? Tan sencillo que sería todo esto.
Te vas a quemar en el infierno, huevón.
¡Ahí con Orrea!
알레한드로를 처단한 테디는 한 소년에게 살인죄를 뒤집어 씌울 생각이었지만 소년을 데리고 도주하는 조나단의 모습에 그제야 자신이 속았다는 것을 알게 되죠.
You take it to the chief, yeah?
조나단과 록사나의 관계를 짐작하고 있었던 테디는 록사나의 제거 명령을 내리고 조나단 역시 그런 테디의 행동을 예상하며 곧장 록사나를 빼돌립니다. 하지만 이번 사건으로 조나단의 존재가 로퍼에게 발각되고
I want his picture now.
Alex Goodwin, also known as Andrew Birch.
His name is Jonathan Pine. He's in Colombia and he's onto our arrangement.
What do you want me to do?
You'll have support teams here and in London. Identify them and deal with them.
결국 조나단은 MI6와 로퍼 양쪽에게 쫓기는 신세가 되어버리죠.
Did you receive the red flag?
Yeah.
Are you moving?
Yeah, I'm just about to.
Why haven't you gone already? Get to the airport now. Use the exit pass I provided.
Okay.
조나단은 서둘러 동료들에게 철수 지시를 내리지만
Yes, it's me. I'm afraid I'm going to have to cancel our appointment. I have guests.
I'll leave you my findings. Postmarked, of course.
On A4-line paper.
Mr. Karapetian.
영국에 남아있던 바질은 MI6의 추격을 뿌리칠 수 없었고
Taken just yesterday. In Medellin. Where's Jonathan Pine? Charlie. Let's see if we can jog his memory, shall we?
과거 로퍼의 저택에 잠입했던 것처럼 지원팀 없이 홀로 위기를 해결해야 하는 조나단.
I have to get to him before he gets to me.
What about your team? Where are they?
There is no team. There's no one.
What about the guarantees I asked for?
I can't give you any of those.
록사나는 조나단이 자신의 안전을 보장해줄 수 없다는 사실을 알게 되고
You lied to me. You deliberately compromised me. And now I have nowhere to go.
I lied to you.
Let me tell you about a man called Waleed. He was my friend. He had 3 children. He loved cricket and he bled out in my arms because you lied to me.
You helped me for one reason and one reason only, which is to save your own skin.
Do what you want.
그렇게 둘 사이에 균열이 생겨나게 됩니다. 이 일을 실패한 테디 역시 로퍼의 질책을 받게 되는데
Many have been susceptible to this gift, and I'd lay money that Roxana Bolaños could be added to that list. What about you, Teddy? Answer the question. Were you susceptible?
I told Matthew Ellis nothing. And he has achieved nothing. We will release the cargo and deliver it to the Cabreras. So, everything's as we planned.
No. The plan was no mistakes. Risky. Thank you for answering the call.
No, anything for you, Chief.
로퍼를 파멸로 몰아넣은 유일한 인물인 조나단. 그에게 대항하기 위해 로퍼는 자신의 수족이었던 부하를 복귀시킵니다.
Who are they? Friends from her. You're gonna help us find your boy.
Let me do it.
No. You focus on the shipment. New prosecutor's gonna release the cargo this morning. A man hell-bent on revenge guarantees only his own demise.
그때 걸려오는 조나단의 전화.
¿Quién habla?
Put him on.
The Hilltop Restaurant. I booked a table under the name of Andrew Birch. 1 p.m. Come alone.
아무런 지원도 없는 조나단에게 남은 무기는 운송 리스트뿐. 그럼에도 불구하고 조나단은 직접 로퍼를 마주하는데
You look older. I have the shipment list. I also know that you're using Aurora, Teddy's kind-hearted charity, as a front for the recruitment of young soldiers, children, to start and fight a rebel war.
Then what do you want from me?
I want you to hand yourself in.
And why would I do that? You've got nothing on me.
You're just a con man. Even when you're stretched out stone cold dead on a slab of Syrian concrete, you're lying. Yesterday, a good man was murdered in a Medellin wasteland with a bullet in his skull, and I failed to stop it. I won't fail again.
Is that what led him to a pointless death on a street in Belfast, blown to bits by his selfless commitment to service?
That's it. That's it. There. That's the hot blood of truth. Go on, Jonathan. Do it. Stick it right through my heart.
But before you do that, know this. Your father's values are dying. Mine are in the ascendant.
My father loved me. What about yours? 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. I'm going to call you on this phone. You'll agree to hand yourself in. If you don't, I will destroy you.
내일 오전까지 경찰에 자수하라는 조나단의 경고. 하지만 로퍼는 그를 순순히 보낼 생각이 없었죠.
2 men in a black fort to your left. Get to our meeting point. Take the scenic route. I need some time.
Okay.
He's alone. Easy to say goodbye.
No. Follow him. Find out where he's keeping the girl.
로퍼가 부하를 보낼 것을 이미 예상하고 있었던 조나단.
Your friend Jane called me. She's still in Medellin. She's trying to contact Chief Justice Consuelo Arbenz.
She should have left. Go back to La Estancia. Keep listening. I see you in Medellin, okay?
El baño de hombres. La gente está afuera esperando. Where the fuck are you going?
No. Fuck this.
¿Tiene fuego?
No habla español, man.
Ah, you're good here.
Yeah, fuck off.
손쉽게 적을 따돌린 조나단은 자취를 감추고 같은 시각 셀리는 대법원장과 접촉합니다.
Consuelo Arbenz.
My name is Jane. I'm a friend of Alejandro Guterres. He was killed because he was trying to meet with you, Chief Justice. I know who killed him, and I know why. It's because there's a coup being planned in your country, Consuelo. And you're going to help me stop it.
조나단의 계획은 내부에서부터 로퍼를 무너뜨리는 것.
¿Quién habla?
You look anxious. Meet me where we took the boat trip. 20 minutes. Come alone. And I'll tell you the truth about Richard Onslow Roper.
조나단은 테디를 항구로 불러내 앞으로 닥쳐올 운명을 알려주는데
fellow called Eduardo dos Santos. Where'd you find him? Just picked him up along the way. When all this is over, what do we do? You're gonna bring him back with you? Teddy in the Athenaeum. I dread to think. Well, let's jump that fence when we come to it, shall we?
Whoa. Let me explain.
What the fuck is this?
I recorded this conversation yesterday afternoon. Okay, from the moment he arrived in Colombia, he's had one aim: to settle his debts and get home. And he's used you to do it. I'm not lying.
Shut the fuck up! Stop playing with me!
What did he tell you? That Barquero was just the beginning of something bigger? That you'd rule this continent together? Is that what he told you?
What the fuck do you want from me?
Play the last file.
Something I want you to do when you get back. Sure. Anything in my power? It's Danny. I want him back with me at the Oxfordshire house. He's my only son and heir. He's mine.
로퍼가 자신이 아닌 데니와 함께 살려고 한다는 것을 알게 되자 깊은 배신감을 느끼는 테디.
Who the fuck are you? Listen, the son he prizes is sitting in an English schoolroom right now. He's used you, Teddy. He used you like a dog. Because it's not worth the risk. It's the truth. This is who he is. You don't deserve this, Teddy.
30년 동안 로퍼를 아버지라고 믿어왔지만 그 환상이 무너진 지금 테디는 완전히 길을 잃은 상태였고 조나단은 그런 테디에게 진짜 가족을 만나게 해줍니다.
Ay, Eduardo. ¿Eres tú de verdad? Ay, mi hermanito.
¿Clara?
¿Dónde está?
Perdón.
Is that him?
Yeah.
You really did win his heart, didn't you?
The plane will take off tomorrow afternoon. It'll fly to Cabrera's camp in the jungle. We have to make sure it never gets there.
그렇게 테디를 포섭하는 데 성공하지만 미처 생각지 못한 곳에서 조나단은 발목을 붙잡히게 되는데
Answer it.
What the fuck did you want, Roxana?
록사나가 자신의 안전을 위해 로퍼의 편에 붙어버린 것.
My name is Richard Roper.
So what do you want?
I want Jonathan Pine.
Well, now I know his name.
So, what's going on?
All is going to plan. I want you to go to the Cabreras and tell them. Delivery is tonight. Bang on schedule. You leave in an hour.
I'll call the Cabreras to let them know. Estoy aquí con el señor Gilberto. Necesito que le diga a Cabrera que todo va según el plan. ¿Estamos?
The plane.
Todo. Nos vemos en el punto de encuentro. Listo.
테디의 배신을 눈치채지 못한 채 운송팀을 맡기는 로퍼.
Rumpelstiltskin. Prompt as ever.
So, what do you say to my offer?
Well, actually, I was more curious to know what you felt about mine. 50 million.
No deal. But I'll be seeing you soon, I hope.
Sooner the better. I miss that smile.
조나단과의 최후 통첩에서 끝까지 사업을 이어가겠다는 뜻을 밝히지만 조나단은 애초에 로퍼가 자수하지 않을 것을 예상했고
Okay. Sally, reopen the connection with London. Tell Basil we're diverting the plane. Then pick up Consuelo. I want a reception committee on the ground. Colombian and international.
I'm on it.
로퍼와의 통화 내용을 녹음해 새로운 변수를 준비하는데 그때 록사나가 다급한 목소리로 도움을 요청합니다.
Roxana.
Hello, are you there? Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah, they found us. I got out. I'm on a bus headed towards Sabaneta. Help me, I need your help.
What do you mean? Where's Tom?
I don't know. He ran. I gotta go. I'll call you
Roxana.
back.
Fuck. What happened? We need to make a detour.
¿De qué hablaban Gilberto esto en la mañana tan secretamente? ¿Se podrá saber?
No. Nuestra princesita de Miami ha vuelto al juego. Eso es todo lo que tienes que saber. Dale.
Y Gilberto confía en esa puta, de verdad.
이는 조나단을 잡기 위한 로퍼의 함정.
Le voy a llamar a los Cabrera. Decirles que ya llegamos.
Hágale.
Shall I get her?
No. I'll go.
그리고 때마침 걸려온 테디의 의미심장한 전화.
Estoy con el señor Carrascal esperando en el mirador, kilómetro 29.
Okay. I'm delayed. Picking up Roxana.
No se preocupe ya por eso. Estamos listos acá. No pierda su tiempo.
그제야 조나단은 자신을 찾는 록사나의 모습에서 수상한 점을 포착하게 됩니다.
Okay, I'm here.
I can see you.
Where are you? Hello?
I'm in the blue car to the left. About 30 yards from you.
He's in the blue Opel Astra at the end of the car.
Goodbye, Roxana. And good luck.
그렇게 로퍼의 함정을 피해 무사히 현장을 벗어나는 조나단. 약속한 거래 상대가 도착하지 않자 의심은 자연스레 테디에게 향하고.
¿Cuánto tiempo llegan los Cabrera?
¿Cómo vas a ver?
Eduardo, ¿de verdad llamaste a los Cabrera?
Levántate.
카라스카를 제거한 이상 배신이 들통나는 것은 시간 문제. 테디와 조나단은 서둘러 다음 작전을 실행합니다.
¿Todo bien? Carrascal.
Algo que le tengo que enseñar, José.
¿Qué? ¿Qué pasa?
¿Qué es lo que pasa? Esta gonorrea se hace llamar Matthew Ellis. El hijo de puta nos engañó. Nos dijo que era un inversionista. Hace 2 días lo puse en un avión para París. Lo que no entiendo, José, es cómo mierda estaba ayer desayunando con Roper.
조나단의 계획은 무기 거래를 망치는 배신자인 척하며 콜롬비아 민병대에게 로퍼를 노출시키는 것.
I tie my hands now.
What's your name?
You know mine. It's Matthew Ellis.
Sorry?
Matthew Ellis.
What's your fucking name?
Not according to this, Mr. Birch.
You're supposed to be in Paris, Matthew. What the fuck were you doing yesterday, eh? Having lunch with this man, reservation under Andrew Birch? Answer! Who is he?
He's just an old friend. His name's Giles Merriman.
Wrong answer.
오직 테디를 통해 거래하던 민병대는 로퍼의 존재를 짐작조차 못하고 있었고.
Listen to this.
When we meet again, the Carreras will be dead. You and I will be on British soil.
Not a mosquito or Colombian in sight.
And Jose Cabrera? No regrets?
Jose Cabrera is a cowboy. He's not fit for civilized company.
I'll be seeing you. Soon, I hope.
Sooner the better. I miss that smile.
로퍼가 민병대를 배신하려 한다는 가짜 녹음 파일로 의심의 불씨를 지피는 데 성공합니다.
There's a military plane coming here tonight. You think it's gonna airdrop the last shipment, an electrical weapon, to ignite your war. The plane will parachute in 50 combat paratroopers. Special Forces Brigade La Jungla.
And what will they do?
They'll kill every single one of you.
Tenemos que parar ese avión.
그리고 조나단이 준비한 또 다른 한 수는 군부의 감시를 받는 대법원장을 빼내는 것.
Desde el colegio de mi hijo. Se metió en problemas otra vez. Ahora, Guzmán, deme 2 minutos que tengo que hablar con él. 2 minutos.
Pero no me pueden estar llamando del colegio todo el tiempo.
I'm at the rear exit, orange Kia, now.
Ajá.
대법원장이 거느린 취재팀과 함께 무기 거래 현장을 급습한다면 로퍼를 체포할 명분을 얻을 수 있었고
It hasn't been used for decades.
Okay. Call your team. Tell them to bring cameras and we're going to make this a show.
Venga, hágame un favor. Véngase para San Marcos, estoy haciendo una unidad. No. Véngase para allá.
Come on, Basil. Don't let me down.
이는 로퍼에게 협조했던 안젤라에게도 자신의 과오를 덮을 수 있는 기회였죠.
Address I was given. It's what head office gave me.
Well, clearly head office has ballsed up.
Hold on. We'll just go and find out.
Jesus Christ. Evening, your lordship.
Oh.
Oh, I wouldn't bother trying to call Myra Cavendish if I were you. Got half an army out there.
What do you want?
Oh, how was the Colombia trip? Flying visit, I hear. Was it seeing the old man? I know there are arms being smuggled. I know there's British money involved. But what I still haven't got is hard evidence connecting Richard Roper with Myra Cavendish and the Colombian plot. Stop taking the bullet for Richard Roper, Sandy, because I tell you this for free. He will never take one for you.
안젤라는 샌디를 협박해 마이라가 로퍼와 결탁한 증거를 입수, MI6의 움직임을 묶어버립니다.
I do have insurance policies in place.
Where did you get that photograph?
Do you want to see what else I've got? Got emails from you to Adam Hollywell. I've got texts to Miami, Medellin. Got phone records, arms lists, and a handwritten note from your luxurious London address connecting you to Roper's dirty plot. All I need now is the shipment itself.
자신을 잡을 함정이 기다리는 것도 모른 채 민병대 캠프로 향하는 로퍼.
¿A dónde mandamos el avión?
A una base militar abandonada, San Marcos, aquí cerca. Aquí es donde hay que mandarlo.
Pues en la zona de entrega lo afinamos.
Hola, Jose.
This has been a long time coming.
And there's the young master. Everything go according to plan here?
Everything went perfectly.
Buenas noches, señores.
Buenas noches, Consuelo.
Muy bien, Trujillo, me gusta su eficiencia. Quiero fotos de absolutamente todo.
Por favor, envíe las coordenadas para el aterrizaje.
The plane's turning east. He's heading our way.
조나단의 계획에 따라 무기를 실은 비행기는 대법원장이 기다리는 활주로로 향하고
I made a mistake with Matthew Ellis. I'm sorry. All I ever wanted was to please you.
And you do.
비행기가 착륙하기까지 불과 몇십 분, 로퍼의 파멸이 시시각각 다가오고 있었죠.
Pues le quítelo de encima. Okay, let's go.
Oh, you'll want to hear this, it'll be good. This is London.
This is Consuelo Arbenz, head of the Colombian Supreme Court. I have a visual on the plane.
Carlos, mijo. Tráigame el inglés.
What did you just say? What Englishman?
Frank, Andrew Birch.
I'm sorry, Richard. They were watching us at the restaurant.
마침내 로퍼 앞에 모습을 드러내며 이 모든 것이 함정이었다는 사실을 밝히는 조나단.
All right, Jose. I'll give you that one. You're not to blame. That plane's cargo contains exactly what I promised. Teddy, tell them.
What do you want me to say? That you lied to me about everything? That you always planned to go back to England to your only son, Danny? Let me tell you something, Dad. You will never see that kid ever again.
테디가 총을 겨누며 사형 선고를 내리지만
Tell you what, why don't I count you down?
1,000. Teddy, come on. 900 and...
I do believe that's mine.
한 통의 전화와 함께 모든 일이 엉망이 되어버립니다.
You're f***ing late.
Bring her in, will you?
What's that?
That, my friends, is an aeroplane. Why don't you go and open your present, Jose?
대법원장에게 향한 비행기는 가짜였고 로퍼는 민병대와의 약속대로 진짜 무기를 호송하고 있었던 것.
He sent us a red rose.
Case dismissed.
단 한 번의 속임수로 로퍼는 조나단의 모든 작전을 물거품으로 만든 것이었죠.
First my American sweetheart in Mallorca. Now my very own son. Just like you're hell-bent on plunging a stake into my fucking heart. As for you, Eduardo, just so you know, Jonathan, my offer was real.
Richard, leave that piece of shit to
로퍼의 부하들이 민병대를 처리하는 혼란 속에서 탈출을 시도하는 조나단.
They're on us. I can't lose them. Hold on. Llévatelo. Go.
마틴의 도움으로 추격을 따돌리지만 결국 목숨을 잃고 맙니다. MI6의 내부를 조사하던 안젤라 역시 암살된 채로 발견되고.
Hello, Danny.
Hi.
Miss your old man?
모든 동료를 잃고 처참하게 패배한 조나단의 모습으로 시즌2까지의 이야기는 막을 내립니다. 아마존 프라임의 전설적인 스파이 스릴러 나이트 매니저. 톰 히들스턴이 연기하는 조나단 파인이 세계적인 무기 밀매상 리처드 로퍼의 조직에 잠입하며 벌어지는 이야기입니다. 시즌1은 지금도 최고의 시리즈 중 하나로 꼽힙니다. 카이로 호텔에서 시작된 복수와 첩보전이 지중해 리조트와 스위스 알프스 그리고 런던의 고급 클럽을 오가며 펼쳐지죠. 휴 로리의 매혹적이면서도 잔인한 빌런 로퍼, 올리비아 콜먼의 날카로운 MI6 요원 버, 엘리자베스 데비키의 위험한 매력의 제드까지 캐스팅부터 완벽합니다. 럭셔리한 배경 속에 숨겨진 배신, 긴장감 넘치는 심리전, 그리고 화려한 액션까지 한번 시작하면 새벽까지 멈출 수 없는 첩보 드라마죠. 원작 특유의 세련된 영국식 스파이 감성을 그대로 살렸고 로튼 토마토 91%, 에미상 수상까지 명작이라는 평가가 아깝지 않습니다. 시즌2는 2026년 신작으로 8년 후 콜롬비아를 배경으로 돌아왔습니다. 하지만 시즌1의 압도적인 세련미와 비교하면 조금 덜 강렬하다는 평가가 많은데요. 톰 히들스턴의 카리스마는 여전하지만 새로운 빌런과 스토리가 전작만큼 기억에 박히진 않습니다. 시즌1은 명작, 시즌2는 괜찮은 후속작이라고 평가할 수 있겠네요. 스파이 스릴러, 럭셔리 첩보, 그리고 배신의 긴장감을 좋아한다면 시즌1부터 반드시 봐야 할 작품 나이트 매니저 리뷰였습니다.